So here's Moshfocus app. It's built by a single developer, but it's a very popular to-do list application. It's very high in the productivity charts in iOS App Store. Whether you need to create a to-do list or create a personalized task list, Moshfocus will help you get it done easily. Simple interaction to create to-do list, create personalized task list, countdown and forward times to help you. So yeah, here you can just open it up and then you can see all tasks. And let's just open it up, see how it works. So here, why I like this app, because it's very simplistic. You don't need to you don't need a lot of tutorials to learn this app, and it's just straight to create a to-do list. So I wanted to add some tasks, for example, and then I just tap the date when I want to do that, and then I can set up the priority: high priority, medium priority, low priority, and then I send it. So that's it. I just added it, and then I have all tasks. I can see tasks for today, and I can see important tasks. It's pretty cool. And then you just have it like this. Just have all tasks. Then I have timer, where I can just focus on like doing my homework, and I can just start the timer. And this is kind of like a Pomodoro technique or something, where you just have focus 25 minutes, you start this timer, and you don't wanna to get away, like for doing any other things, like sporadically checking your Instagram or TikTok, listening to music. You just want to focus on doing this thing, and it can create some really nice productivity and focus skills. And then that's it. So like you just add your tasks, and then you just have focus timer. That's it. So you don't have any additional buttons, like tons of other tabs, which are like sometimes are super confusing. So here you just have that. And then there's like a premium option, there's $1.99 option, and then just for the first month, and then $3.99 per month, or per month is like $4, then it's $24.99 per year, or $0.99 per week. So that's basically the idea of the app. And then you have like the settings, you can send them feedback. So yeah, that's the app. As you can see, it's very like simplistic, but it proves the point that users are still struggling with a very simple to-do list app. Like there are like Wunderlist, reminders, notes, dozens of other apps, but like the simple task of creating a very efficient to-do list is still, has a lot of opportunities for creators. Like it's still quite confusing. Like everyone likes to have its own to-do list in a special way, so it's not stressful, but it also feels productive. So that's why this even like very simple app is in the top charts, in the top 50 apps in productivity, along with with some like huge brands like Microsoft OneNote and some Windows apps, Google apps. Yeah, because I guess people just like simplicity as well. There is another app in this category I would recommend you. It's called Structured, which is more complicated. It has this all additional features like AI features, but it has like visual appeal, where you can display your day, your calendar in a visual way. So that's also fun. So yeah, give it a try.